Welcome to our webinar from the virtual studios at videoguys.com, powered by the amazing and mighty new Tech TriCaster Mini. Today's webinar will be all about the new Avid Nexis Pro shared storage solution and the new post-production bundles that Avid has launched for a limited time. At NAB, Avid launched their all-new rebranded line of shared storage. The ISIS name was no longer, and their next generation of shared storage line is called Nexis. The ISIS 1000 is replaced by the Nexis Pro. The Nexis Pro actually uses the same exact hardware as the ISIS 1000. It's just got different firmware and software. So if you already own an ISIS 1000, you could turn it into a Nexis Pro simply by downloading and installing some firmware and software. Let's talk a little about shared storage in general and who should look into moving from attached storage to shared storage. If you're a small work group or facility with 3 or more editors, content creators working together on projects, regardless of which NLEs or tools you use, shared storage is something that you should really be looking into. Avid Media Composer, Adobe Premiere Pro, and FCPX editors can all work together using the same media. No need to waste copying files over from one machine to another or actually moving your RAID storage from computer to computer, something we used to call a sneaker net. By having all your content in one location on a shared storage solution like the Nexis Pro, you'll increase the productivity and creativity of your staff. The more people you want collaborating and working together, the more valuable shared storage becomes for your organization. While you may be able to get by with each editor having their own attached storage to their workstation, a shared environment allows everyone access to the media they need while giving you, as the facility owner, control over the amount of bandwidth, capacity, and what content they have access to. All right, let's talk about Nexis Pro and its performance. Nexis Pro can deliver well over 400 megabits per second sustained throughput and can easily handle up to 20 simultaneous users, pumping out HD and even 4K footage. Listen, while other shared storage vendors may claim to hit these marks, Avid doesn't just claim it, they do it. In the media and entertainment world, Avid shared storage is the gold standard by which all other shared storage solutions are compared. Avid Nexis Pro delivers outstanding value. With a $13,995 price point, you're going to purchase a proven performer that gives you your entry into the Avid Everywhere philosophy and workflow. With Avid Nexis Pro, you get performance, expandability, protection, and ease of use. That's a winning combination. The big differentiator that makes Avid superior is the Avid file system, designed from the core for media and entertainment. Avid understands the special needs of video editors and content creators. The Avid file system is a proven commodity used by Hollywood studios, networks, and post-production facilities all over the world. Nexis Pro gives you an affordable solution to get started with all the advantages of Nexis Enterprise Class solutions. I know many of you think that Avid is a closed system, even though they've been shouting the Avid Everywhere mantra from the rooftop. So many people in our industry just don't get it. Avid is open. Check out this slide. Look at all the third-party hardware and software vendors included on it. At NAB, Avid was even showing Adobe Premiere working seamlessly with Avid Interplay. If you're looking to move to shared storage and you want the best possible and affordable shared storage solution for content creation, the answer is simple: Avid Nexis Pro. Avid calls Nexis the world's first software-based intelligent shared storage solution. What does that really mean? The Nexis interface is super easy to learn and operate. It allows you to configure new users, set up their permissions, and allocate the bandwidth and storage they will be given with just a few mouse clicks. All while your other users are busy editing. All dynamic, and it happens instantly. If you need to change a user's settings or give them more or less storage, you can, instantly, without disturbing the other users. In a traditional RAID storage solution, and Nexis it doesn't really use RAID. When a drive fails, the entire drive must be rebuilt, even if it's mostly empty. This takes a long time. It could be overnight for 20 gigs of storage. And during this time, bandwidth is lost, and there's a chance of losing a second drive, and people can't work as efficiently. Nexis allows you to set the protection level for each user independently. You can think of Nexis 2-disk protection as the equivalent of RAID 6 and 1-disk protection as RAID 5. So let's say you have a guy working on the final finished movie. He could be on 2-disk protection. His stuff needs maximum protection. He's the most important guy there. While the guys doing the rough cuts are perhaps 1-disk protection, And the guy logging and transcoding the files to DNX, well, he might be unprotected. The choice is yours, and you can change your mind. But think about all the extra storage space and time you can free up by wisely allocating your protection level. Pretty sweet if you ask me.
Video Guys is available Monday to Friday. Give us a call, 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!